Hey Primary 6 Foundation Math Prodigies, this is Coach Saiful with your daily dose of math mastery, and today we're going to go into the final question of your assessment paper number 3. And the last question is actually on volume, which I love. So let's take a look at it immediately right now. It says a rectangular tank measures 30 meters by 20 meters by 8 meters. It says the tank is 3/4 filled with water now. Can you see that? It's not 8 cm, it's actually the height is 3/4. We'll find out what that is first. Now it says part A, find the volume of water in the tank. Okay, how? Is it 30 by 20 by 8? If you said that, then no. Why? Because 30 by 20 by 8 is actually going to give you the whole thing, which is not what is filled up with water. It's actually 3/4 filled up with water. So there are two ways to do this. Okay, one is you take 30 by 20 by 8 to find the whole capacity, and then you multiply by 3/4. Or the other way is to multiply 3/4 to the height. So 3/4 of 8 gives you what? 6. So 30 by 20 by 6. Okay, that's the math prodigies method. So I'm going to do the math prodigies method. Okay, first off we're going to say, oh, since it's 3/4 filled with water, 3/4 times 8 is actually going to give me a height of 6. Why? Cancel here, you have 2. 3 times 2 gives you 6. So the volume of water is actually equals to the length times breadth times the height. In this case, we have 30 by 20 by 6. 3 times 2 gives you 6. 6 times 6 gives you 36. And then there's 2 more zeros. You have 3600 meter cube. And that's the math prodigy's way of doing this. If you got that right, high five to you because you are a math prodigy. Good job. Okay, now for part B, it says how much water is needed to fill the tank completely. Like I said, again, we have two methods to do this. One is to find the whole volume, 30 by 20 by 8, and then minus what you just found, which is A, which is the volume of water in the tank, which is 3600. You can do that, or you can do the math prodigy's way. So all you have to do is this. Where is it? Here, okay. So you can say 8 minus 6 will give you the height of the one that is still empty. So 2. So volume of water needed. Okay, nice handwriting there. Because length times breadth times height, which equals to 30 by 20 by 2. 3 times 2, 6. 6 times 2, 12. 12. And then you got 2 more zeros, 1200 meter cube. And that is the final answer. It's very, very good. Very, very simple. If you got that right, got that one right, high five, because you are a math prodigy. Good job. And that is it. Why do I do things so fast? Why am I able to do multiplication and everything so fast? It's because, like I said, I've taken a lot of time, a lot of pain to do a lot of homework, do a lot of assessment paper, more than what I was asked to do, and which is something that I would recommend you do as well. One of the common things I saw between the math prodigies who scored improved by 20, 30 marks is that they actually did more assessment papers extra on top of the homework, on top of what I give them, and that's why they succeed. It's because of their own hard work. So remember, if you want a good thing, which is in this case your results improving, you have to take the time. So good things take time. And with that, this is Coach Saiful signing off, saying you, my friend, you are a math prodigy. Good job.